Thank you, Almighty Lord God Jesus. So we've survived our first accident with baby. That is a bad one. The baby falling in the pool. God, Daddy was there to save. Daddy's the one who caused it. Bad Daddy. But we're just making sure baby's warm right now. We dried up his nose very first thing. And thank you, Almighty Lord God Jesus. Didn't act like he inhaled any. He's not sniffling any. Sounds like normal speech. Doesn't sound like any breathing problem to me. Good baby. We had been keeping it like 85 in here. I feel like baby might deserve a night of 88 degrees after that. And pull the baby. Oh, no, it's getting to be a handful to contain. The danger to film and hold you in one hand, film in one hand, hold you in the other hand. More than I could do there, little baby. More than I could do there. Oh, what's up, baby? This little baby is my baby. Yeah.